Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. What might the ECB do for the euro tonight? http ntvforex.com News ID 69B913 7/16/2020 7061 am. Expecting the unexpected has become the way of life for many a trader in the pandemic. Not that long ago, the year-end forecast for the euro was much weaker than its current pricing. Events like this truly show how difficult forecasting is in the current climate that the global financial markets are facing. The euro was anticipated to close the year out somewhere in the vicinity of 1.12, it's already at 1.14, well ahead of the schedule. This is in part thanks to the spending of the European Central Bank and a weakening greenback. Tonight, we are expecting the European Central Bank to issue an update on their monetary policy stance. This could mean some changes are to come. In 2020, the ECB has been deliberate and timely in their actions, throwing fistfuls of cash into the economy to try and keep it afloat. Like many of the world's central banks, the threat of economic disaster and a distaste for the global financial crisis has spurred on ill feelings and a need to act quickly during the pandemic. Regardless of the efforts they have so far pursued, there is little to no room for complacency. The Eurozone faces a great deal of risks that are simply out of their immediate control. Tonight, the obvious focus for the ECB will be on their bond purchases program. As a reminder, June saw the ECB dump €1.35 trillion into its pandemic emergency purchases program as reserves. Christine Lagarde, the current president of the ECB, has a balancing act to maintain. She effectively needs to keep the public positive about how much ammo the ECB have while not loading the muskets. It's a delicate process. Pump too much money into the economy and risk inflationary problems and sentiment collapse. Pump too little and you run into the same again on a different scale. I am not expecting drastic changes at tonight's ECB announcements. I feel that they will try to keep their options open. A slightly improved second quarter and equities continuing to remain afloat gives them some positives to monitor. We may see more clarification on the PEP programs as the language has been pretty loose in the past, which may lead to the possible tapering of existing bond purchases in the PEP. If I am accurate, then this would imply some good news for the euro economy is to come in the short term. EUR vs USD H4. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching.